Then the fragmentation of a particular song on a molecular level, and then you rebuilding the song. You know, you rebuild it with the bass line, the melody, the harmony, the percussion. So composition is like the ability, you know. So that is like composition. Composition is the ability in music to create your own original musical piece. Technically, I'm considering this to be a symphony because it's a 9-minute piece. And here's another composition. So that's composition, composing. In art, you also have composing. Composing is the creating of the piece, you know, and that germinating that to fruition.